Hey you guys, Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you with another video. This is another package from Joey. You gotta ignore the beating and banging. They're working on that cliff again. Nothing I can do. According to some people, you know, I need to keep my mouth shut and just not say anything. But I really can't do nothing about that. But even if I could, I ain't supposed to say nothing. Just let people run over you, I guess. So here's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 script. Pretty cool. Thank you, Joey. And then let's see what else he got in here in store. Joey! No, really, dude? Joey, man! He sent me the metal pieces! Joey! Bro! Oh my god, man, this is awesome! He sent me the pieces, look guys! This is wild! So now all I have to do is just get some cheap parts and bolt that on. Joey sent me the chain too. Awesome, man! I really like this, man. It almost feels like having my dad back. Awesome, man. Thank you. Look, the piece that goes over the pour oak cover. Don't want to forget anything. Don't want to show the address because they got some weirdos out there. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Thank you, Joey, for the parts. I really appreciate you, man. He sent me all the stuff he knew I was needing. Thank you. Thank you, Joey. Thanks, man. This means a lot, helping a fellow chainsaw guy out. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you, guys. Without you guys watching my videos and stuff, this wouldn't be possible. Thanks, Joey. See you later, guys.